Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is a comparison and I'm going to be comparing two gels from Aunt Jackie. You're going to see the application and the results. On this side of my hair I applied the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, and on the other side I applied the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. So if you want to see the application and the results and see how each one performed, please subscribe to my channel first and follow me on social media. Guys, I'm going to start with the results. This is day 2 hair. On this side of my hair I used the flaxseed gel and I had to refresh it. In terms of elongation compared to the other side, let me just give you a better view. In terms of it elongating my hair, it did just a little bit, not by much. I've used this gel before and I've always found that the elongation didn't really do much, but you guys can see whether you think this really did elongate my hair or not. As I said earlier, I had to refresh the side of my hair, but this side, I literally woke up this morning like this. I haven't done a single thing on the Curl Boss side and I am impressed. The front part of my hair, I did not have to refresh. I didn't have to put a drop of water on my hair to refresh it. The curl definition that you see, the tiny bit of frizz that you see, this is how I woke up in the morning. This side did need a little bit of help. Okay guys, now let me tell you a little bit more about the gel. This is the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed recipe. It's the Don't Shrink for natural curls, coils as well as waves. It says it's the Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. On the packaging it also says Don't Shrink. It's sulfate free, it's paraben free, there's no mineral oil and there's no petrolatum. It also says it's enriched with flaxseed as well as wheat protein, and it says flaxseed is rich in omega fatty acids. It promotes hair health from the inside out, and it helps to prevent dryness as well as flaking. There's no flakiness in the morning when it comes to this gel on the side, so there's no flaking. It says Aunt Jackie's moisturizing flaxseed recipe adds nourishment to hair while giving bounce and stretch to withering curls, twists as well as coils. So you can see in the video, this is my hair. I appreciate the volume that I get from day 2 hair. My hair is soft, there's absolutely no crunch. In terms of elongation, very little, and I did have to refresh my hair in the morning. On this side I use the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Coconut Cream recipes. This is their Curl Boss for natural curls, coils as well as waves, and it says this is their coconut curling jelly, and it also contains no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil as well as no petrolatum, and it says it's enriched with coconut oil. It says show curls, coils and waves, who's in charge. This lightweight frizz control jelly recipe uses just the right amount of coconut oil to help deliver impressive definition, shine and softness without a stiff, tacky feel. It helps minimize shrinkage. Now, minimizing shrinkage, no, the flaxseed did a little bit better in terms of shrinkage, so the flaxseed wins when it comes to shrinkage. When it comes to no frizz, when it comes to hold, it's delivering on all of that. My curls are soft, I'm loving the definition, I'm loving the way my curls are clumping together. Personally, for me from the Curl Factory, I prefer the Curl Boss side because there's less maintenance. I woke up in the morning and my hair was the way I wanted it to be. I'm fine with refreshing my hair, don't get me wrong guys, I do not have a problem refreshing my hair in the morning, but to find a product that I don't need to do anything with, that is always just a bonus. That's it guys, you've seen my hair throughout this video, you know which product I used on either side. Drop your comments down below, tell me which side you like, which side you think actually did what the product said it was going to do. I absolutely have fun doing these comparison videos. Thank you for joining me and I'll see you again in another video. Take care.